So we are going to discuss about central bank digital currency. What is it? It is a legal tender issued by the central bank, that is RBI in case of India, in a digital form. तो डिफरेंस क्या है CBDC और क्रिप्टोज में? क्रिप्टोज आर डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड विदाउट द बैकिंग ऑफ द सेंट्रल बैंक. तो सेक्शन 22A है जो कि इंसर्ट किया गया RBI एक्ट 1934 में टू लॉन्च द डिजिटल करेंसी. Now it is of two types, retail and wholesale. Retail digital rupee is available for use by all the private sector, non-financial consumers and businesses, मेरे जैसे आपके जैसे लोगों के लिए. Wholesale CBDCs, on the other hand, it has restricted access by financial institutions. Example, interbank payments, securities, settlement, etc. अभी CBDC के benefits क्या हैं? So benefits are many. First is reduction in cost of handling the physical currency. As per RBI's annual report 2022-23, as you can see, the printing of notes, it is one of the major expenses that amounted to around 4,600 crores of rupees in 2022-23. So this does not include environmental, social and governance cost of printing money. So CBDC helps to reduce the operational costs, example, printing, storage, transportation, etc. The second point is further the cause of digitization and less cash economy. तो अभी India is a unique case जहाँ digital payments rise हुई हैं, but it has not resulted in an overall reduction in demand for cash. So cash is still the king. CBDC payments जो हैं वो anonymous हैं. It can be used to further the digitization process in India. So we are going to discuss about central bank digital currency. What is it? It is a legal tender issued by the central bank, that is RBI in case of India, innovation and payments. So central bank money in a domestic economy, it is without credit and liquidity risk. कैसे? कमर्शियल बैंक में आपका अकाउंट है, अगर बहुत सारे लोग अपने खाते में से पैसा विड्रॉ करने जाएंगे तो इट कैन पोज अ मेजर चैलेंज टू द बैंक. But central bank money is without that risk. Also, CBDCs can provide a safe foundation for innovations in the payment system. The next point is explore the use of CBDCs in cross-border payments. The World Bank के अनुसार India is the world's largest recipient of remittances, USA being the biggest source. तो remittances भेजने की cost काफ़ी major है, plus हवालाज और illegal channels ये भी use हो सकते हैं. CBDCs can help in addressing these challenges. इससे related है UPI Pay Now linkage. तो UPI जो है वो है इंडिया का रिटेल पेमेंट सिस्टम एंड सिंगापुर का है पे नाउ. इन दोनों को कर दिया गया है लिंक एंड इट कैन हेल्प इन फास्टर, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव क्रॉस बॉर्डर रेमिटेंसेस. इसकी लिमिट है 6,000 रुपये एक दिन में. दैट ऑल्सो मीन्स 1,000 सिंगापुर डॉलर्स. सो द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इनोवेशन एंड पेमेंट्स. So central bank money in a domestic economy, it is without credit and liquidity risk. कैसे? कमर्शियल बैंक में आपका अकाउंट है, अगर बहुत सारे लोग अपने खाते में से पैसा विड्रॉ करने जाएंगे तो इट कैन पोज अ. So the next point is support the financial inclusion. CBDCs can help in accessing the unserved or underserved sections. इससे ही related दो points है अंतर्दृष्टि and financial inclusion index. So we will be discussing first about the Antardrishti platform. So it is a financial inclusion dashboard to assess and monitor the progress of financial inclusion by capturing the relevant parameters. It is presently only for internal use. सारी RBI की press release पढ़नी है तो pause करके आप पढ़ सकते हैं यहाँ पे. The next is financial inclusion index. तो financial inclusion index, it is an index to capture the extent of financial inclusion across the country. तो इसकी एक सिंगल वैल्यू होती है 0 से लेके 100 तक. 0 मतलब कंप्लीट फाइनेंशियल एक्सक्लूजन, 100 मीन्स फुल इंक्लूजन. पैरामीटर्स 3 है इसके, एक्सेस, यूजेज एंड क्वालिटी. 97 इंडिकेटर्स ये प्रोवाइड करता है. नो बेस ईयर, इट हैज़ बिन कंस्ट्रक्टेड विदाउट एनी बेस ईयर. इट विल बी पब्लिश्ड इन जुलाई एनुअली एंड 2022 में it was 56.4 which has risen from 53.9. Now coming back to the benefits of CBDC, it is motivation for use of national currency vis-a-vis proliferation of crypto assets. Now, crypto assets can pose the risk related to money laundering and financing of terrorism. It can be a threat to the monetary policy transmission and also the stability of the domestic currency. Then is no settlement risk. RBI गवर्नर शक्तिकांता दास जी ने UPI CBDC का डिफरेंस बताया था कि UPI इन्वॉल्व्स इंटरमीडिएशन ऑफ बैंक्स. अगर आप UPI करेंगे तो आपका अकाउंट होगा डेबिट, रिसीवर का होगा क्रेडिट. बट इन CBDC, just as paper currency, you just need to put CBDC in your wallet, pay, and it gets credited to the receiver's wallet. So there is no intermediation of banks, so no settlement risk whatsoever. You can see there are certain newspaper clippings. CBDC is the future of money, says Shaktikanta Das. And now we come to the challenges. So challenges भी कुछ हैं. First is privacy concerns. So central bank could end up handling an enormous amount of data of the user transactions. Then is cyber security risks, operational difficulties, accountability risks. So who is accountable to consumers in case of loss? And then is BCP and technology risks. You can refer to the sources given in the description for a detailed study. So we will end this topic with a cartoon. See you in the next video.